Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all my new subscribers, as well as those who are returning. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make Okra gel to hydrate, nourish, and add instant shine to your hair. First, we're going to wash the okras so that they're free from any debris or anything that will contaminate your hair. Make sure you wash them thoroughly. Sort them out and remove any decaying or spoiled okras that are in the bunch. Now that your okras are clean, we're going to chop them in small pieces. Okra, a slippery green vegetable, is not only delicious and nutritious for the body, but also for the hair. It is packed with essential vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, B9, vitamin K, magnesium, and calcium. All of these vitamins work together to nourish your hair follicles, moisturize, detangle, as well as add shine to dull hair. Now that you've chopped your okras, simply put them in a pot. Add 2 cups of water to the pot. Cover the pot and let it slowly boil for about 10 minutes on low to medium heat. After boiling, allow it to cool before moving to the next step. Add the cooked okra to the blender jar and blend until smooth. Pour the blended okra through a cheesecloth or a fine meshed strainer. I added about 2 teaspoons of olive oil to keep the texture of my hair softer. As you can see, my hair was on the dry side, but after applying the okra gel and doing a protective style, my hair looked so much better, more moisturized, and had a nice sheen. Once again, thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post my next videos. Also, don't forget to comment and hit that like button. Until we meet again, see you on the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.